Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to share Google videos in Google Vids. First thing you will have to do is to create your video, of course. I have my video already created, so next step is to go up here to this share button. Click on this drop down arrow if you want to copy the link of this video. If you want to export it to Drive, download as MP4 or download as GIF. These are the options that you have, but you can also click on share right here. Now title your video. So I will give a title podcast and press save. Now it will open up this classic share document window that you know from other Google services as Drive and Google Docs. You can click right here to anyone with the link and copy the link, or just type in the email address of the people that you want to send the link to and then send it and press done. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.